Alright, I wanted to give you guys an update video. They are actually finally scheduling our 2023 Ford Mavericks to be built. If you didn't know, they're starting now. That you can actually get the information from the Maverick Forum Truck Club. I'll go ahead and leave a link to the forum page. They post pretty much every week when production starts and what constraints are happening. And you know, Ford, it wouldn't be Ford without having constraints, right? So right now, the constraint is they are not building any hybrid motors for the 2023 yet. They're only going to be building EcoBoost. I'm assuming it's from part constraints, and we will also not be getting splash guards, and this is like the add-on splash guard for this one. But they have started production on the 2023, and we also have confirmation from Tommy over on Facebook. He said they're not scheduling hybrids, but they are scheduling EcoBoost, which is interesting because this is actually priority 10, so this is likely to be like a rollover, a 22 rollover. So 2022 order that didn't get completed, so they rolled it over to 23. So that's why this one's a priority 19. But like everyone else, this is probably just a normal EcoBoost that someone ordered and is a priority 19, which is actually being previewed. Preview means they're saying like, oh, we want to make sure we have enough parts to build it. And since they don't have any hybrids being built, they're just building the EcoBoost right now. But is it a good sign or a bad sign? I mean, the good sign is they're started. There's not like anything crazy happened, but the bad sign is I think we're probably going to be waiting a long time for hybrid cars to be built. I ordered a hybrid. I think the huge selling point of the Maverick is the hybrid. It definitely makes a lot of sense for me and why I'm getting it. But I just wanted to let everyone know. So if you're looking for information, I'll go ahead and post the link to this forum. So you kind of want to watch this forum. You got to remember, these are people. This is not like the Ford Authority. This is not, this is not facts.com. This is just, a forum. So take everything with a little bit of grain of salt, talk among people. But this is where you're going to find good information on the threads. Like every week, someone will kind of put one of these up here to keep yourself updated so I don't have to make a video every week. But if you want to know if the cars are being built, I recommend you check out this Maverick Truck Club. Excuse me. And just find out what's going on. Look at the update. Every single week, someone posts one of these update threads, and they basically grab it from Ford. So this is what Ford's sending to all the dealers, what's going on, and just kind of stay in the know. So I just wanted to share this short video, make it short and sweet. I'm not, you know, making 10-minute videos and stretching things out. I just want to let people know what's going on. So it seems like things are moving forward, but we're definitely going to have a lot of supply chain issues going forward. I mean, I'm hoping one day that won't be an issue. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. What's going to happen? What do you think is going to happen? I try to read them all and respond if I can. And I'll see you guys on the next one.